Okay, I'll just show you how to set a sat nav in this 2018 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, if you want nav, you can either, you've got map there, just see where you're going, click nav, and you've got quick search, set home address, recent destinations, and address input. So if we go on to address input, you see there United Kingdom, just click down, city or postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to find the numbers. Just click back towards you, that brings the numbers up. 5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters. JS, Grosvenor Garage, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4JS. You've got OK in the centre, so we've put that in, and now we can navigate down to Start Route Guidance and click OK.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
Well, we're on the forecourt, and that's why it's telling me to make a U-turn. I'll just show you another way. It never works for me. It never recognises my voice, but it might recognise yours. So if we click on nav, scroll to the top, you've got quick search there. We'll just go back again, and on that screen, the top, you've got say address. So we'll click say address.
Please say the desired address or a point of interest.
Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston.
Preston, Chorley Road was selected. Say Start Route Guidance or Add as intermediate destination.
Start route guidance.
Route guidance has been started. Please make a U-turn if possible.
I'll put that down as a win. So that's how you do it, both ways. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, you can either go to menu, or we can go to comms there. Why they couldn't call it telephone, I'll never know. And then we dial it down to manage mobile devices. Select manage mobile devices, click on it, and then there's my phone, Barry's iPhone 11. If I click on that, you'll see here telephone, Bluetooth audio, connect device, and delete device. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you've got delete device. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. But over here, you can either go to menu and then kind of navigate to communications. There you go, communication, click on communication, manage mobile devices, or you can just click the COM button there. So we're on manage mobile devices. Click on manage mobile devices, and it's on connect new device already. It's highlighted there. It's saying there telephone and Bluetooth audio. Now I just want to pair this for the first time. Saying there BMW 72478, and it's come up here. So we'll click on that. It's thinking about it. Connecting to Bluetooth device. Compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device. 520034. That's it. So I'll click pair there and click OK on the screen. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And it's connected. It's doing all sorts now. It's connecting all my audio stuff as well. But you see there, it's actually connected. Now in order to play music on this system, what we need to do, if you go to your iTunes, see at the bottom there, the red triangle, the 3 red circles, click on there, BMW 72478, there's a tick next to it. So whatever music, whatever sound you play on your phone, so long as you've got the media setting right on the system, it will play through the speakers. So I've turned it down on here. We'll go to media, which is the top left hand button, media, and you can see there, if I knock it across there, actually knock it across again, you'll see there that's what I can select. FM, AM, Barry's iPhone 11, Amazon Music, Audible, Spotify, CD and so on. So my phone there, it's showing you the track that's going to play. I'll turn it up from here. So we'll turn this up. The sound is really, really good in here. I'm going to use the volume control on my phone to control it in the car.
Crossed my mind 1,000 times. The cost was fine. I draw the line.
As I say, the sound's awesome. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'd get a copyright strike. But that's it. That's how you do it.